Thank you for being with us. Can you please summarize your presentation?
Well, what I presented is the fact that leak detection is still one of the biggest challenges for water utilities, since we are managing really widespread infrastructure. So developing, creating new solutions for leak detection, which are not based doesn't require the real intervention in the network. So we are these kind of solutions which are very manual or very labor intensive. So we think that we need to promote leak detection techniques which are based on data. Okay, so with the new solutions we have presented, utilities can have a tool to really narrow the average inspection length needed to finally identify more or less where a leakage has occurred within infrastructure that may have thousands of kilometers. That would be more or less.